Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today tutorial is I'll show you how to mix colors on power LEDs. On power LEDs, some power LEDs it has RGB white or the RGB O. The meaning of it is red, green, blue, white or O. So RGB, that's the meaning of the RGB. Normally our power LEDs only have three colors: red, green, blue. So where do we get the amber, the pink, and how to make the white? So that's why we need to learn color mixing. So we need to open example. See, it's only the LED only has three colors: red, green, blue. So how do I make the orange? Easy. You need to only if you know how to mix color, you know what colors to mix to make an orange. So it's a red and green, right? So you open red and green. But we see it's not orange, it's just a yellow or greenish. I don't know. So the green must be lowered. Now there's the amber or orange. Now where do we get the pink? Pink color is how to mix the pink. We know that pink is red and blue, right? So red and blue. But you can see it shows violet. So how to make the pink? We need to minus or I don't know, minus the blue. There. Now it's pink. But I want to make uh light green. Just basic. Light green is green and blue. Green and blue. What we see is cyan. So what do we do? We need so we need the light green. Light green. There's a green, so the green must be shown. Must be shown. So we minus the blue. There. Now it's a light green. How to make the white? It's basic. You need to add red, green, blue to make a white. There. So that's how you will mix color on palette. But I will show you the chart, my formula on color mixing. Take note that all color is measured 255, not 100. Yes, it is 255. As you can see here, 255. That's all picture measures 255. So I'll show you the my formula if you want it. Just a little tip. You need to memorize on color mixing. You need to master it. It is very important on lighting industry. So thank you everyone for watching and see you on my next vid, and hopefully you subscribe channel. Thank you. Bye bye.